Today I'm going to talk about the law of reversibility, how it works, and how you can use it to manifest in your life. I will start this video with a quote from Tennyson that says, "Pray for my soul, and more things are brought to you by prayer than this world dreams of." Prayer is an art, and it requires practice, but more importantly, it requires a controlled imagination. So there is no place for vain repetitions. It requires exercise, tranquility, and peace of mind. Most of people, they practice prayer as a ceremony, as they are so ignorant about it. They forgot that prayer is about feeling, is about spirit. The essence of prayer is faith, but faith must be permeated with understanding to be given that active quality, which it does not possess when not understanding. We know that whether or not man succeed in reversing the transformations of a force, nevertheless, that all transformations of force are reversible. For example, if heat can produce mechanical motion, also mechanical motion can produce heat. If electricity produces magnetism, also magnetism can develop electric currents. If the voice can cause undulatory currents, so can such currents reproduce the voice, and so on. So this is how we can understand the law of reversibility in manifestation. If we want something, we imagine the ending of something we want. We can know the feeling of it if it be realized, so we can the reverse. If we have already what we desired, so we know the feeling already, we can also know how to imagine the ending of it in our minds. The other is, if you know how you would feel were you to realize your objective, then inversely you would know what state you would realize were you to awaken in yourself such feeling. The injunction to pray, believing that you already possess what you pray for, is based upon a knowledge of the law of inverse transformation. So, if your realized prayer produces in you a definite feeling or state of consciousness, then inversely, that particular feeling or state of consciousness must produce your realized prayer. Because all transformations of force are reversible, you should always assume the feeling of your fulfilled wish. You should awaken within yourself the feeling that you are and have already that which you desire to be and possess. This is easily done by contemplating the joy that would be yours if your objective was an accomplished fact, so that you live and move in the feeling that your wish is realized. The feeling of the wish fulfilled, if assumed and sustained, must objectify the state that would have created it. This law explains why faith is the substance of things hoped for, the evidence of things not seen, and why he called things that are not seen as though they were seen, and things that were not seen become seen. So, assume the feeling of your wish fulfilled and continue feeling that it is fulfilled until that which you feel objectifies itself. Because if a physical fact can produce a psychological state, also a psychological state can produce a physical fact. So we are told, "Therefore I say unto you, what things soever you desire, when you pray, believe that you have received them, and you shall have them." Thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next one.